So today we will learn about balancing equation. In balancing equation we need to balance reactant side and product side. So let's check that is this equation balanced or not. So first we will check how many atoms of these elements are present. For example, nitrogen, which is 2 over here, and then oxygen, which is 5 over here. Now again nitrogen in product side is 1 only, and oxygen is 4. 2 plus 2 oxygen we are having 4. So this equation is not balanced. Now we need to balance this equation. For example, if we put 2 over here in this nitrogen, so this nitrogen will become 2 into 2, this will become 4, and then this oxygen 2 into 5, this will become 10. Okay, so now over here let's check, as we are having 4 nitrogen over here, so we also need 4 nitrogen over here. So let's just put 4 over here. Now we are having 4 nitrogen and oxygen. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus these two, 10. So now we are having 4 nitrogen over here, same as 4 nitrogen over here. We are having 10 oxygen over here, same as 10 oxygen over here. So this means this equation is balanced. Now let's just check out another equation. Now we are having another equation. This is our reactant side and this is our product side. So now just let's check how many number of atoms are present of each element. So nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen and carbon. Same over product side, nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon. So now we are having 1 nitrogen over here. Of hydrogen we are having 3 plus 4, we are having 7 hydrogen over here, 2 oxygen and 1 carbon. 1 nitrogen, 3 hydrogen, 1 oxygen and 1 carbon. So now this equation is not balanced. We need to balance this equation. Let's just put some numbers over. Let's just change some number of moles of these equations to make this equation balanced. So if we will add 2 over here, so our nitrogen will become 2, hydrogen will become 6 plus 4, our hydrogen will become 10. Okay, so now over here we also need to make some changes over here. We will add 2 over here. So now we will be having 2 plus 2, we will be having 4 hydrogen, 2 carbon and 2 nitrogen. Still this equation is not balanced. So now we need to balance number of carbon over here, so we can put another 2 over here. So this carbon will become 2, but hydrogen will also get changed. So we were having 6 hydrogen over here and 2 4s are 8. 6 plus 8 will be having 14 hydrogen over here. So now over here our hydrogen is not balanced. So when we will add a 6 over here, so 6 2s are 12 plus these 2, this will become 14. Then we will be having 14 hydrogen over here too. But now our oxygen got disbalanced because now we are having 6 oxygen over here. So when we will add 3 over here, 3 2s are 6. Now this will become 6. So now our whole equation is balanced. 2 nitrogen over here, 2 nitrogen over here, 14 hydrogen over here, 14 hydrogen over here, 6 oxygen over here, same as 6 oxygen over here, 2 carbon over here, same as 2 carbon over here too. So we put 2, 3, 2, 2, 6. After putting these, after having changed the number of moles, we got our answer, and now this equation is balanced.